Home Minister Amit Shah is on a 2 days visit to Tamil Nadu, that to Pudukkottai and Trichy, and he will take part in the state president BJP Naina Nagendran's one of the most important campaigns ahead of the 2026 elections. And that is a reason a lot of people are also gathered at this particular area. This particular campaign, a walkathon by Naina Nagendran, the state president, is considered as Tamilagam Thalai Nimira Tamilanin Payanam. This is one of the campaigns that he initiated, and the last leg of it is expected to be completed at Pudukkottai, where the Home Minister is participating. Even before the Home Minister reaching Tamil Nadu, he has tweeted stating that the people of Tamil Nadu are favoring the BJP over here and the NDA alliance that is led by AIADMK. And there you see that is the Home Minister's convoy who's on a visit for 2 days over here. That is Home Minister Amit Shah who is present over here, and also along with this we also see Piyush Goyal who is also present at this location. And this is considered as a very important event because for today he is participating in Naina Nagendran's walkathon campaign, and then later tomorrow he will also participate in Modi Pongal at Trichy, for which the Congress has strongly reciprocated, claiming no matter how many times the Home Minister visits Tamil Nadu, BJP will not win. This is how DMK and Congress are retaliating to the Home Minister's visit. Election season is on. On one side, we have the Home Minister Amit Shah, who is over here in Tamil Nadu, and this is how he's being welcomed. New forms with LEDs and with dance and with all kind of gala, welcoming the Home Minister for BJP. And there you could see there is actually flag of BJP and everything, with the lotus and all the Netas pictures on the background. Also, we could see Annamalai and such. So this is how it is being celebrated now. Election in the state of Tamil Nadu is turning slowly into a celebration. On one side, the Home Minister claims that the entire DMK is completely, the cabinet is riddled with cabinet ministers who are in corruption and such, while on the other side, the Home Minister also has just said that the cadres should go ahead and take a vow to make sure that BJP comes to power in 2026. In fact, the Home Minister claims that the sentiments, the emotions of the Hindus over here in the state are actually being under threat, and he claims that DMK government is working against the interests of people of Tamil Nadu, and especially he claims against the interests of the Hindus, and he's urging the cadres to go ahead and fight and work for the victory. And he says in many places, in many states, now BJP has won, and their main aspect is to make sure that they should take a vow that they should win in the state of Tamil Nadu and West Bengal. And like I said earlier, in the state of Tamil Nadu, it has become a celebration, and you could see what is happening over here. We still have 90 days or so, but election has turned completely into a form of celebration, and more Netas to come to the state from Delhi, and the Netas from the Tamil Nadu are also going to put, they claim, a heavy fight for 2026 so that who would win the state of Tamil Nadu and rule the people for the next 5 years. With Irfan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.